Hello, my name is Maria from mathmammoth.com. In this video, we're gonna learn some basics about describing functions. In particular, we're gonna look at when a function is increasing or decreasing or a constant. A function is said to be increasing if its graph is continually going upwards. That's simple, right? And then it is decreasing if its graph is going downwards. And then if the graph is horizontal, then it is constant. And we already know about linear and nonlinear functions too, so we can take that into account in our descriptions too. So here we have a graph, and we're going to describe this function, whether it is increasing, decreasing, or constant, or if this function is linear in a specific interval. We start over here. Here it is decreasing, right? So in this interval from, from minus 3.5 to about minus 2.2, would you say? In that interval, this function is decreasing. It is also linear. This is a line, right? Then from minus 2.2 to about minus 1.5, it is constant. Then it is increasing all the way from minus 1.5 to about 0.5. It is increasing and linear. Here's a little piece. It's a little curved here, right? It's still increasing, but nonlinear, from 0.5 to 1. And then we go downhill, so it is decreasing. All of this is decreasing in a nonlinear manner from 1 to, over here I made a little mark, about 4.1, 4.2. And even though it looks kind of linear here, you could maybe break this into several intervals and say, oh, it's linear here. Yeah, you could do that. But I know in mathematics, these kind of curves are often from polynomial functions, which are something times x squared or something times x to the third power, x to the fourth power. Polynomials often produce this kind of curves. So I would say it is decreasing in a nonlinear manner all the way to 4.15, something like that. And then again, it is constant. So that is our description of this function. Alright, now our task is to draw a function that fits this description. First of all, it is increasing in the interval from -7 to -5 in a nonlinear manner. It's my -7 and the -5. In this portion, it is increasing in a nonlinear manner. So let's say it starts here. Goes like that. Then it says it's constant in the interval from -5 to -2. For 3 units, it is constant. Then decreasing in a linear manner all the way to x equals 2. So let's say it goes here. Alright, so it is decreasing in a linear manner. It doesn't say how steeply it is decreasing. It could have decreased like that, very steeply. Okay, I just drew something. And then decreasing in a nonlinear manner rest of the time. So again, in some kind of a curvy way, it is decreasing. Alright, so that fits the given description, but there's multitudes of other ways that you could draw it too. And we're all done. I hope this was helpful.